Okay, how to replace your pull cord. There's a lot of videos out there, but they don't do it right because this is always just dangling down here and there's no tension on it. So this is how you get the tension on that. You don't just set this in and then just start winding it clockwise like the other videos show. What you'll want to do is you can go ahead and get yourself this line all the way out. And I've already got tension on it. So now it's all the way out. I'm going to pull this up into this groove here. I'm actually going to wind it by hand several times around. That actually might be too much for me, but I've already done it several times. Now it's actually going to automatically wind it in. And now you've got tension on that because there's a clock spring underneath, obviously, that you've seen, that I've now put tension on it. And then you just go ahead and put this back together and put your snap ring back on there. So there you go.